Saturday morning fabrics, yay. Now I've put together some fabrics that are perfect for a POM, and also for the new patterns. 423 I'm sending out, which is the fit to stitch pattern, which is a blouse, and you want to use a fabric that's beautiful on both sides, and this is incredible. This is so beautiful. 100% cotton. Isn't that lovely? All the olives and pinks, and just a really beautiful fabric. Light, clean. This is called Lipstick Red. It's 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. Look at the drape on that. It's just really beautiful. All of these today are $19.99. A lot of discount actually. Lipstick Red, but anyway, both sides of this are usable. This is a viscose, beautiful drape. It goes with all of it. All of it can be paired with this. It actually can be paired with this also. I put this in. This is 100% cotton. It's a beautiful knit. It has stretch in both directions. It's just a really pretty knit. Olive green, and it's a rust, but this pink looks really pretty with it. And when you look at this next one, this is a turquoise. It actually looks really pretty with it too, I thought. It picks up one part of the green in there. But anyway, just an opinion. That is 100% cotton, beautiful, one-sided only. So you've got to have a pattern that works on one side. This is called a turquoise. It's 100% viscose, beautiful. Again, stretch in both directions, absolutely lovely. This is a viscose, a woven. Again, both sides are usable. This is a crepe back satin. One side is shiny and one side is matte, but 100% viscose on this. Again, beautiful piece. And then just a good old classic black, great viscose. You could do yoga pants, you could do everything out of this. Stretch in both directions, leggings. It's just a great black. $19.99, great price. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.